What's Epson WF-7720 driver? How to download and install it? An Epson WF-7720 driver is a software that allows your computer to communicate with your Epson WorkForce WF-7720 printer. To download and install it, you can follow these steps. 1. Go to the Epson WorkForce WF-7720 support page and select your operating system from the drop-down menu. 2. Click the Downloads tab and find the Drivers and Utilities Combo Package Installer. Click the Download button and save the file to your computer. 3. Run the downloaded file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the driver and other software for your printer. 4. Connect your printer to your computer using a USB cable or a wireless network. The installer will guide you through the connection process. 5. Once the installation is complete, you can print, scan, copy, and fax with your Epson WorkForce WF-7720 printer. Learn more. Epson WorkForce WF-7720 support Epson US. https://epson.com/support/printer/all-in-1/workforce-series/Epson